Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious chicken curry. First, let's talk about the essential ingredients you'll need for this flavorful dish. You'll want about 5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small piece of fresh ginger, all finely chopped. Don't forget your spices: curry powder, turmeric, cumin, and coriander. Finally, have a can of coconut milk and a can of diced tomatoes ready. Now, let's start building those incredible flavors. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once hot, add your chopped onions and sauté them gently until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just about 1 minute until they release their wonderful aroma. Then, add your chicken pieces and brown them on all sides for 5 to 7 minutes. With the chicken nicely browned, it's time to create the rich curry sauce. Stir in all your dry spices, curry powder, turmeric, cumin, and coriander, and cook for about 1 minute, allowing them to toast slightly and become fragrant. Then, pour in the can of diced tomatoes and the creamy coconut milk. Give everything a good stir, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot. Let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is tender and cooked through. Your delicious chicken curry is almost ready. Before serving, stir in a handful of fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. Serve your hot curry with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread for a complete and satisfying meal. This dish is perfect for a cozy dinner, and leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below this video. Enjoy your homemade chicken curry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.